What if the CEO of your company
Never slept.
never had an off day,
Never missed a beat.
never let emotions cloud judgment, and could rewrite itself to become stronger every day? What would your business achieve? The question is, can AI run your business?
Launch Tech Traveler Pilot in departure. Carve out 200 square feet near Gate 5 for demo stations. Cut the tobacco tail. It is declining globally, except non-combustibles, which are holding. Double down on liquor premiumization. Kill pre-order discount and replace it with priority collection. Launch Spring. Spirits campaign in March. Your electronics business is a mess, tiny and fractured. Year 1, stabilize and cut the tail. You need to build grab and go kiosks near gates. Year 2, tech adventurers are a distinct consumption circle in duty-free. Give them an experience and buy zone. Year 3, target 150 crore. Electronics duty-free is globally growing at 12%. Penetration seasonality matters more than traffic seasonality, and yours tells a worrying story. Your penetration swings significantly in peak season, but SPP doesn't hold. In peak season, you are converting impulse buyers. Are we compensating store staff on penetration or SPP? If it is penetration, we are incentivizing wrong behavior. You are underperforming by global benchmarks. You need to work on your mix.